Good evening. So, baby, why are you still awake? Baby not sleeping, so let's do a video. Why not? So, um, just to give you a quick update, I figure out why our Flow Designer was not showing our updates or the executions. And to fix this issue, our instance had recently upgraded to the latest version. So if we go to plugins, I looked up some plugins that had updates available. So if you go here to in your application manager, we got our updates, and there was a Workflow Studio update. So once we did our Workflow Studio update, we were able to get our Workflow Studio working correctly. So I went ahead and did a few other updates. But yeah, if you have any issues with your Workflow Studio not displaying the executions after the latest Washington update, make sure you go to your plugins, look up the updates, and see if you see the Workflow Studio in here, and go ahead and just update it. Alright, so there's a few other ones. So to update plugin, you simply just click on it, and then you hit proceed to update, and then it's going to give you like some dependencies that will get it updated. Psst. Hey, come here. Leave boy alone. Alright, so no. Yes. Yeah, and it's time for you to go to bed. They don't move. No. So, as simple as that. Then you can click on run in the background, and you can keep going for your day. So, the other thing I wanted to show you was we have this client script that shows us the amount of vehicles or wheels in the, but this is only working on change. So I want to create the same script include for display. So if we go here to display, or so for example, if I change something here, see if I add a new one, let's say I add or remove one, see it gives me the number down here, see? But I want this to kind of like show up all the time and kind of like be up to date. So this only displays on change, okay? So if we do a display, maybe it will show up all the time. Wait, let me remove this. Mira, baby. So just wanted to give that quick update, and tomorrow I'll be doing another video, and hopefully we can have a working tournament app that we can use on Saturday. That would be great. So really quick, what I would like to do in this 28 minutes that I have, I'm gonna go to our experience here, and we're gonna go to our workspace, and we're gonna create a report. which we're going to be able to pull some what do you call those? Some graphs. Okay. So if we go to our home page here, we can go to our UI builder. Actually, we go to UI builder. We can open it directly. Okay. So it gets rid of this App Engine Studio window. And we probably have better control from here. So you can do it from here too, but we will go ahead and actually just go into the UI builder. And let's see, hot tracks, okay? So if we go into it, let's see, oh, okay, here it is. So I was talking with my sons and we came up with the name of the app. And let me know what you think about this name. It's Hot Tracks Tournament Tracker. So Tournament Tracker. All right, so here we are. And we have our home page. So let's open this up. So while this loads, the idea here is to have some type of dashboard that we can quickly like look at stuff and kind of like it'll be a lot useful than this default page that we have here. And maybe we can have a button that we can like access our record producers and get the tournament started, right? So, and then I like to have a page where we can see like the upcoming races and the history of the winners, and even like a gallery of some of the photos and things like that. Yeah, you go to sleep. All right, so check it out. So first thing we need to do is actually we need to create a report. So if we go to report, okay, so we can go here, create new report. So what would I like to report? Okay, so we have we have our tables starting to populate. So one thing I want to take a look is if we go to our wheels table here and we look at some of the vehicles we have already. We should start seeing some other type of data here. Let's see.
Mommy.
What's wrong? What's that? Toaster? Toaster. Bing. Where's the bread? There's no bread. All right, so see we have this checkbox here, so we can denote once a car has become a champion of some sort. I was thinking of like multi-list, because maybe they can be champions in different tournaments, right? So, and then the race wins. We should have start seeing this, but maybe if we actually go into it and all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new tournament. It's gonna be called Night Racing. So tomorrow we're building a new track for just one day. We are having a men's fellowship, and at the end we're gonna do some friendly racing. Okay, so hopefully we can have something that will work for us. All right, so let's do. All right, let's make this one interesting. So this double elimination does not exist yet, so all right, so now we can add everybody else. I don't know why you can't add everybody from the beginning there, but right. So we got 16. All right, great. So the idea is that we should have like the correct amount of cars to start off with. So we can put some more checks here before we go into the in progress state. But we're just gonna go ahead and actually we'll go into ready because we did create a button for that. So this state we should also like not be able to move it ourselves. So perhaps if we have the right amount of cars, then it becomes ready, right? And then this button will appear, start tournament. And then once we click on that, then that will launch our flow, which we get our cars here, our matches, okay? So it's matching the first with the second, the third with the fourth, like that. So it's just going in that order. So however you put the cars in, those are the initial matches. All right. And then they're all in the round one, and we don't have any match winners yet. So if we go into our first match, so race one, match one, their status is match. They need to win 3 to advance. Oh man. So we already have 3 races created for us. Right? So we go into our first race. Oops. Okay, and then this lane 1, if we do lane 1, it should go lane 2, or if we change it, you know, it should automatically change the other one. So we can definitely do that. Not too important right now, but according to the times. And then I would like to have a button instead of update. We'll just have like lock-in times, and then it locks it in. And then if we reload, we should get a winner for this one. And then we should have something that goes to the next. Oh look, we can just go to the next record here. All right, so we go down like this, and then we got this times. So our track is gonna be 21 feet. So it's gonna have like, once you start racing them, like you're gonna notice which are the fast cars, and those are gonna be the ones, you know. And then we want to have these times to show us something here. All right, so let's see. All right, so this one won. Oh, okay. Why did they create another race, huh? So, oh yeah, so wait a minute. How did this one won here? I don't think. Is it always putting the same winner? Alright, so I'm gonna make the other one win here. This Honda Civic should be the one winning. Let's see. And we have, oh, Toyota. Uh-oh. Why is this always the winner here? Okay, so we gotta look at our flow. Something's not right here. Racer 1 always wins. Alright, so, and the winner is the Honda Civic. Wait a minute. What's going on? Alright, so maybe this is like, I mean, it's counting it correctly here. So we have the Supra won this one, right? The Honda won this one. The Honda won. Okay, so actually this, so I'm thinking whatever's putting the winner here is something's not right. And I think that has that was probably because maybe the flow. All right, so we found our first bug. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up that flow really quick here, and that's the race winner. And this could be because we did what did we do? Oh yeah, we were trying to like do something new last time. But the actual match winner is working correctly and is counting the wins correctly. So that's good. It's just whatever's being marked there is not good. So and actually it's because this flow we had to redo this whole flow because in our previous video we tried to make this a subflow and something did not work correctly. And then it was supposed to update the records here too for each the races. Let's see. If we go here to the last execution, let's see what's happening. We're not getting an error, which is good. Okay, so see, this is not counting the races because did we initialize the races with a 0? Let's see. So if we go to our data, it's gonna take me out of here. Why? Nope. Okay, so we're gonna look here, and then we got race number. It's a 0, yeah. But this is not where we want to go. We want to go to here, wheels. And here we did initiate it with a 0, right? So what the heck? So race wins is nothing. All right, so I think this could be because when we created this vehicle, we didn't put a default here, okay? So if we go here and we do this, like if we put a 0 here, so these supposed to be default value 0. The default value is nothing, was null, right? So I think that was the main reason why we're not getting counts, right? That's interesting, huh? So when you want to count up things, they need to start at 0. They can't start at nothing. Unless you kind of like put something here that says if it's null, then put 0. But yeah, I think that was why that was not working. So if we go to this one too, all of them are like that because we created this before the defaults were in place. Okay, now if we create a new one, they will be better. They won't have that issue. Okay, so now the other thing was why were they the winner? Why was the winner showing up like that? And where are we? Okay, here we are. So the winner, if winner, all right. So here we have if racer 1 time is less than racer 2 time, okay. Or if racer 2 time is less than racer 1 time, but then here, oh, racer 1. Okay, so here's their mistake. All right, so we gotta do racer 2 here. Select winner. So the winner is, who's the winner? Racer 2 is the winner. Yeah, so we had racer 1. That was the mistake here. Okay. And then this should start counting. That should start counting. All right, so simple mistake. We have fixed it. So if we want to go now and go to our vehicles here, what we need to do is we need to put 0 for everything here. All right, there's an easy way to do this. We only got a few cars, so let's see. How do we, okay, see how we have zeros now? So if we go here and we do, let's see. How do I put it for all of these? You can do it like this, okay. No? Okay, but this do it. Okay. Oh, wow, that's how you do it. All right, so everything's 0. Update all. What else can we update here? Let's see. All right, let's get rid of this thing. This makes no sense. Delete that. Yeah, so we can put photos. Okay, so we got our cars updated. That's good. Then we're gonna go. All right, let's go up this one. Go to the next race. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. Okay, next race. Okay, so it doesn't know. All right, so it created a brand new one. Okay. Got 1, 2, 1. Okay, so I don't know who's winning what. Was that it? Another one. Okay, so all right, so it's updating correctly. We got okay, so whoever wins this one is gonna win. Now we still don't have a way to do draws. Okay, so we are not gonna do a draw. But you know, draws do happen. And what happens? I guess we just race again, right? All right, so but we did get the Ferrari, yes. Beat the Mustang. All right, and then from here, from these times, right? So we should get like see if that was the fastest time. Oh, there's two fastest time. We'll put the fastest time in there, but the system should like do it. Oh, look at that. This field. Okay, so those who don't know, there's a property here or attribute. It's called scale. Wait, what am I? Oh, so the other thing about the scale is that you gotta like change the length to, and then that's gonna like now update it with the scale, right? So if we go back and then we put the actual decimal, let's see, boom. All right, so we have that corrected here. That's good. All right, so now, so once these two are done, right? It should create a new. Okay, so see, it created the Ferrari. Okay, so because this was before, so see, it did create this first one here. Okay, but this one was no good. So let's go ahead and do this match here. Tempo against the fastest car. All right, let's see who's gonna win this one. Fun facts: this was my first car, Ford Tempo. It was green. It was the best car ever. But this car is way too fast. Oh, because it was 0, so that's why. Yep, so we got our winner. All right, so we got our winner. Let's see if it. All right, so all right. So our match here did not happen, right? So let me see if we can figure out. Let's take a look at that flow. So, all right, not this one. All right, this one should had updated our for the next one. See, so let's see this last one that ran. Okay, so yeah, that's the match. Okay. Uh, okay, yeah. Now we had that one mistake there, so let's see what this would have done. Okay, so that's this. So this is what triggered it, right? And then that was false. All right, so this one won. Oh, you know what? It just ended. All right, so this is not even the one I'm talking about. So this one did what it's supposed to do. That's good. Okay, so this one update match winner. Oh, you know what? We okay, so we're only testing for racer 1 wins. So we got to copy. All right, so what happened was our flow went on this path, and this path does not have these things in it. Great. So let's quickly just duplicate all this, and let's see if we can make it make sense. So this is going to be the same. Okay, so you can't copy flow logics. if 14 status is success, no, 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 no. Damn it. I don't know why it deletes it from here. This makes no sense. This says create record. Update match. Actually, this is one. Okay, so updates. And here it goes and it updates also. So it's gonna update this one, the lookup, right? So 14, match record. And racer 2 is gonna be okay, so yeah. This so 13. It's 13. Match winner. It's gonna be 13. Oh, the title. Okay, the title is yeah, so the lookup versus the match winner. Okay. It's gonna be whoever's here on 14. So let's see, match record is whoever's already there. Match record, racer 1, model. Versus this person here on 13. Match record, match winner, model. Okay, boom. All right. Okay, so that's it. So their match. Okay, so it found one that's open, and it's gonna match him. Put that this person number 2. Gonna put mark it complete, and it puts a title. Great. And then it says else if no matches are found. Right. So I guess it's not success. Automatically. If it doesn't find a match, right? I guess. And then this one is you need to don't fail on error. So if it doesn't find anything, so you put another error, right? Else if no matches found. Whoop. Create new record. Okay. Then we put lookup 14 status is not wait. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Error success is not success. Then we are going to copy this guy right here. Duplicate. On. The item you're about to change is referenced to in other fields. Changing this item will delete those references except inline scripts. You must manually update inline script reference. Action 10. Delete. What do you mean delete? Are you sure you want to make this change? Yes. Okay, I guess you gotta delete it. Okay. Let's see. Let's delete. Oh, okay. Right. So, oh, it deletes the reference. That's what they're talking about. So racer 1 is gonna be the 13, right? The match winner. Then, okay, this is still from 13 tournament. Then from 13, it's to advance. Then from 13, match winner, model. All right, so we got one space. All right, great. Okay. Boom. All right, and it's gonna end, right? End flow. Yeah, because we don't want it to go anywhere. So we're gonna go and logic. I guess that works. Okay. So, on the light. Boom. So the reason we wasn't getting anything here meaningful was because it was only doing it for when the first person won. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start from the beginning again. All right, so we're gonna delete all of these. Okay, we're gonna delete these. And we're also gonna delete all of our matches. So we're gonna start from the beginning one more time. All right, so we got Midnight Racing. Night. We got 16 cars. And we're gonna do 2 races. Okay. All right, so it's sorting it in alphabetical order. uh, we can't sort this list any differently. Hmm. All right, so I'm gonna start the tournament. So we got our matches. So it's going from oldest to newest. Right, so we gotta go to our first match. Make these different now. And the Ricer for the win. Okay, so now if we go here, should have round 2 awaiting match. Okay, good. So now we're gonna go here. So we're gonna erase these. Okay, these were a lot faster for some reason. Right, so if we do this correctly, we should be able to keep it. All right. Let's see who's gonna win it. So all the classics are taking it for the win. Or tempo. Right, so we have 2 matches, and look at that. Boom. We got our first next match. Now, I think, you know what? No, because these are gonna look for the matches in the future. I mean, the next match, in the next round. So it's not gonna look it up in the third round, right? If we do the third round. All right, let's see what happens if there's a draw. We have no winner, right? And we did not get the time. Uh-oh. So yeah, draws are no good. No good, no good, no good. And I think these only run one time. So we don't get a winner here. But let's go ahead and push it manually here. All right, so we're gonna manually go ahead and update this. All right, let's see what happens. Or at least it will continue if we manually put it in there. we can push this forward. And then if we go back to our tournament, all right, so it does pick it up from here. That's good. Okay. I'm just gonna do this one more race. All right, so we still need to figure out how we're gonna do our drafts. But as far as the flows working, they look to be working as expected. There's always more improvements we can do to make this a lot better. But for now, if we I guess what we'll do is if we get a draw, we just race them again and we won't make the update. All right, so we got a winner here. Yeah, so we'll just race it without updating it. All right, so we got our second round. Okay, so let's race these now. We got no matches. Ha, ha, ha. All right, so our matches. What's the trigger for the match? So actually, the races. Every time we get some progress, there's something else we need to think about. So create match races. Okay, so what's the trigger here? Stages match. Title's not empty. Match. I gotta put. Oh, I put completed. That's why. So they gotta be match. Okay, so. This one. Oh, okay. Actually, so this one I gotta go match, not complete match. All right, so I think we can still fix these. So if we go into our, yes, it's completed. If we do match, now that should trigger our races. We got one race. Oh, it has no. There's a single race. Okay, so what happened here too? Match. Let's do it. completed. That one goes to completed. This one goes to and then this one's a waiting match. It's advance. Rounds match. So this one, why did it have no wins to advance? Let me see. If we go into so we got so update record. Oh, this is not activated yet. It's not. Page completed. Yeah, so it didn't have the other part. Okay. Okay. Well, we're fixing these flows. Yes. All right, so let's keep going here for testing. Oops, not the same. All right, let's see if it creates another race here for us. Nope. Okay, what's going on? Okay, here's the most recent ones. So what happened here? False, false. False. Oh, so see, this is N. See, this condition is no good. This condition doesn't help me. Actually, I was thinking about this, and let me try something here. Let's see. If we get rid of this thing. Yeah, because if it's none of these, so we have this condition. Let's see. So that changes. Refresh. Oh, okay, so I did create something here. I'm gonna. Okay, it's probably gonna create another one. Let's see. Oh, it created another one. All right. Did it create another one? No. And the sentence. Okay, so. Okay, so let's see what happens now. So this is match 2, right? So it did create a match 3, alright? So I'm gonna go here. Okay, so this one was because it was updated incorrectly. Alright, and we got our matches, great. We go here. All right, so see, I think it's creating overly. Okay, so we did get a winner. Okay. Okay, so we do have a round 3 one. All right, let's see what happens now. Stage completed. Has to be match. Oh, you know what? Is it? Oh. All right, so it says update record. So here, put it completed. Here, put it completed too. Oh, we don't want to complete it here. Oh, needs to be match. This one gotta be matched too. Match. This one awaiting. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can fix this once and for all. All right, so it's updating our flow. This was empty here too. So why was this empty? Oh yeah, so this one is let's see the one right before it. So yeah, so we do. All right, so this is round. Oh, wins to advance. Okay, wins to advance is nothing here. See? What happened here? So wins to advance. Tournament. Match tournament. Oh. And that's from number 4. Oh, because it didn't find anything. So yeah, we don't want to do this because number 4 is nothing. That's bad. Alright, so here. So if no match is found, you don't want this wins to advance from here. It's empty. So we can get it from here. From number 3. Better. Yeah, this one's already good. Yeah, so that's good. Alright. Alright, let's activate it one more time. Okay, so that should give us our wins to advance correctly next time. Great. Alright, so I create another one. That's good. So we're doing our live testing here. Actually, let me get out of the way. Okay. So putting our times in there. Alright, so we got a winner. Alright, we got a winner. That was round 3. Actually, this will have, maybe we can have, we should know. We should know how many rounds we will have. And maybe that will tell us, the last round, right? The winner. Our Honda Civic Racer is the winner. Pretty much. Actually, no. Like if we run the rest of the races, he still needs to compete one more time. So the amount of rounds is, all right. Now, the other thing I want to look at is our vehicles. Now, they should have wins. They should have amount of races. Let's see. So now we can actually create our reports. So we see this one had 8 races. Honda Civic had 7. But he had 6 wins. Up, match wins. What's going on here? Not counting. Match wins is no good. So our match winner is not getting counted here. Okay. So once again, we are going to update that. This is on the match table. So actually, we need to, oh, because we need a separate update. That's why. We're going to do update. And then we're going to do number 3. And this is for 1. Oops. Racer 1. Oh, Racer 1. Match. Match wins. So we can just go back to number 3 here. Take our racer. Match wins. And we're going to do a +1. So how many points we're going to give them? 4 points. All right, so actually we're going to go and do match winner. So we can just use this over there. And let's see, match wins. So whoever's the winner, that's why the winner is important. Winner. So if they win the match, they're gonna get 4 points. If they win a race, they're gonna get 2 points. That makes sense. Or should we give them 3? 3 points, they win the match. 2 points for every race they win. 1 point for every race they race. Okay. And then they will get like 5 points if they win a champion. Just 5. Yeah, just 5. So let's give them 3. Win the match. I guess they're gonna get points also for okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Come on. 14 now. Let's see, 14. Match winner. Do I have match winner here? I think that should. Alright, so we'll give them 3 points. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. 1. Three. I guess there's a way to maybe set this in properties somewhere. And instead of just being in the flow itself, maybe there's a properties that you can establish like these points. And but so now we need to update the races. So when they win a race, they get 2 points. They run the race, they get 1 point. Alright, so I think we need to wrap up this video here. So no participating points for anybody. Yeah, we probably have to just put another update for car number 2 when winner 1, car number 1. Yep. All right. Well, thank you so much. See you later.